Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to change your Trello language into your PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change the language into your PC, you just simply have to open the site of Trello.com. Now, after opening the Trello, you will get to see everything into this section. Now, in order to change language, just simply tap into your profile picture into the top right, and from there, go to Settings. And now, after coming into Settings, you will get this Change Language option in the very first. Just simply tap into Change Language option, and now into this section, you can easily choose language into here. Just simply select the language that you would like to set into your Trello. Then after that, your language will successfully be changed. This way, you can easily change your language into Trello. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.